Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking scope. Choose a niche and list 3 post ideas to test audience fit. Once decided, register a concise domain and link it to your Google account. Next, pick Blogger as the platform if you want the fastest route. Choose WordPress only if you need advanced plugins. Now add your domain to the platform, set up DNS records at the registrar, and create the initial site title and description so search engines can index you. Once the base is live, you design the content flow so readers stay. Choose a responsive template and swap the demo content for your brand elements. Make sure the header shows your primary category. Then build core pages about contact, privacy, and ensure they are discoverable from every page. Next, configure permalinks to be short and keyword-focused. Set categories and tags thoughtfully. Finally, draft your first 4 posts, schedule 2 weekly, and enable analytics to track what resonates. You finish by preparing a focused launch. Submit your sitemap to search consoles and enable basic caching or a CDN for speed. Once live, optimize images and metadata. Write clear meta titles and descriptions for the first 10 posts so click-through improves. Monitor analytics daily for the first week. If something breaks, start with DNS TTL and propagation, then disable recently added plugins or widgets. Finally, check the Search Console for crawl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.